Is the result out already?
In about 15 minutes. Okay?
I feel anxious. I want to go I want to go smoke for 2 minutes. I feel anxious.
Okay.
Where's the smoke patio? Papa, where's the smoke patio?
Okay, you know what, sir?
Are you
know what your room is?
Are you Filipino or Hispanic?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam? You speak Vietnamese?
No.
What do you speak? Vietnamese? Vietnamese? Okay. How do you like the job?
I worked for almost 35 years.
You like it?
Yeah, well, I get used to it already.
So this is the CT scan machine.
That's a CT scan.
Have you seen me on the TV before?
The what?
Have you seen me on the TV before? Have you seen me on the TV before?
No.
I'm the next Nigerian president.
Okay.
Papa, I want to smoke for a minute.
Yeah, you know.
I want to smoke for a
Yeah,
minute.
you ask her.
Who?
He knows over there. You see right?
Right there? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Are you part of my medical team?
No.
Do you know where I'm supposed to go?
I think he wants you to go
Room
back
20?
He wants you to go to room 20.
I don't remember.
What's your last name?
Okay, ECHUKWU. I think they use my first name as last name. Promise? What do you have there? It might be Promise or Peshito.
Yeah.
What did you find?
And your birthday?
June 29, 1984.
Okay, you are going to 20.
20?
20 is up here though.
Okay, thank you.
When's your birthday?
29 June?
Okay. Yeah, you want to make a right where that sign is hanging?
I'll be landing $7 million lawsuit on P&J for assault, robbery. Impacting fear on me. Stealing my iPhone 17 Pro with intellectual property of over 700 million.
It's an automatic door,
Thank
so
you.
you have to back up.
You know. I mean, Peter, what's his name again? I'm glad that the case has escalated. Jerry Bokwe is there. Bobby is there. Anybody can lie, but the truth will come out. I mean, Jerry might think I'm a joker because this time he sees me, he'll be looking at me like a monkey because I'm so ugly, right? I mean, Jerry, I'm not mad at you. I know you're a billionaire from scam. And I know you have a beautiful wife. Your wife is listening to me too. She's on my channel. Dr. Davis, if Jerry does not testify my assault at P&J and robbery at the law court, I will give America another reason for Jerry to go to jail. And this time around, they will revoke his citizenship. I mean, I believe he knows. He knows how close I am to Obi. And I will have Obi testify. And the girl in Long Beach, K, that opens fraudulent accounts for them, even after the 2019 indictment. The Nigeria flew I be on this bed till rapture. I won't leave this hospital till Donald Trump and Elon Musk and at least 100 CIA come to California to find out what happened to me. Because when I'm talking to the FBI, they don't listen to me again. Maybe the FBI, the American FBI, don't hear English. When I told you people, I'm here to sanitize America. No terrorism, no fraud. And you guys said they will kill me. I mean, the only reason why P&J said I cannot do a video in his shop is because he evade taxes, do fraud marriage, buy expired and non-FDA approved food, and sell expired food and wire more than $1 billion to Nigeria. I mean, he brags about that. One time he bragged that he makes like $7 million every year. Now show me your IRS tax return, so we know the problem we're facing in America. Donald Trump, if you listen, if you like, sir, you too can listen. If not, I can come to the White House and make the decision myself. Because Trump is focusing in Nigeria. He don't know the real terrorists and scammers are still in California. P&J, one, you never seen in Fuba and Ife. If you go working as an angel, later you go no. God job for instance, for instance, my sister, go ask them who I be. Because for instance, about so me, when woman could do that 1 year and what we in a swimming pool again. I was then giving well her 4 feet. If I can make it safe, I'll have to go back to school and study it. I'm still thinking, because team are flogging yourself. All about is yourself. Because much you could get, but when you make mistake, you met America. Beg you call me shop of Bunyandi, UCLA Ozugi. Where you man at time, if you had assaulted me further, or maybe had put out any ammunition. Because more other joke. 15 years in America, not even a parking ticket. You can't beat that. Tell me how you got your marriage fraud. Tell me the whole Nigerian scammers and drug dealers you wired money to, and how you cheap stolen ammunition and gun. And these guys that come to sell stolen phones, soap, and wine to you guys. I mean, the guy that sell food to you, Mwachuku, from Newi, Gawagonyambo, Wagila Mahabula Tata, Mwachuku Joya, if I'm in California, Mabu Jerry, Mabu Governor to Dr. Francis, whether to Peter. Your case is safe, you have. Man, I actually can let you go to shop, okay? Everybody, not Wola. Can the Nigerian man and both.